67 to 66. We have Coach T.A. Olan, Marga Villanueva, Angel Sulata, and athlete. Coach, congratulations with your 51st finals appearance. What can you say about these girls beside you who never quit despite Ateneo leading by 6 points in the first game? That is it.
Speechless. Sabi ko we weren't playing that well during this game, but ang positive thing na for this game is our players, everybody didn't quit. Hindi sila sumuko hanggang dulo kahit things are not going our way. Yun, yung kagustuhang manalo, hindi ko na maituturo sa kanila, hindi na namin maibibigay sa kanila yun. Sila mismo, they didn't quit hanggang dulo, hanggang nag-final buzzer. And yun, luckily, nakalusot kami, nakachamba kami. But again, kudos to these players na talagang hanggang dulo, lumaban hanggang dulo for NU.
Thank you, EA, Marga, 3 points, 3 rebounds, 2 steals. So, yun na. Itong mga games na ito, makakatulong pa sa'yo, especially, siyempre, yun, nalaban na naman kayo sa finals.
Yes po, itong game na to sobrang makakatulong po sa akin, especially sa confident ko po, papuntang finals po namin. Dito po talaga ako kumuha ng lakas. Actually, kanina po talaga, hindi ko po talaga alam kung anong gagawin ko kasi grabe yung pressure, grabe yung, ang daming pumapasok sa isip ko. Sabi ko lang na, ibigay ko lang talaga yung best ko. Iniisip ko na ito yung last game ko kasi pag natalo kami dito, hindi na kami makakalaro. Wala na kaming finals na mapupuntahan. Kaya binigay ko yung best ko, minalay ko yung game ko lalo na kay Ate Angel, Ate Bones, yung seniors po namin kasi hindi po namin alam kung kailan po namin sila makakasama.
Thanks, Rania. 10.6 rebounds, 5 steals, and 1 assist with the season on the line. At saka napakaganda yung season mo. Ito, binigay mo yung best mo para siyempre makarating kayo ulit sa finals. So ano man sa'yo mo na ito, may chance pa kayo na ma-retain siya.
Siyempre, wala, nag-usap lang kami na ang mindset talaga namin is every game, iti-treat namin as last game namin. Kasi wala rin naman and eliminate, pa-finals na yan. Dapat ibigay talaga namin lahat. Hindi kami, parang lahat na, buhusin na lahat, ganyan. Wala nang bukas, walang ganyan. Kaya siguro yun din yung pinakita namin.
Thank you. And last to Angel, 15 points, 8 rebounds, 6 steals, 2 assists, and 1 block. Being one of the seniors of the team, syempre hindi ka papayag na hindi kayo makapalit sa finals. So, binigyan nyo na lahat yung sa itong last few minutes, especially down by 6. So, ano man sa'yo mo na ilabas nyo na yung pamako para makapalit kayo sa finals?
Unang-una gusto kong pasalamatan yung coaches and teammates ko sa effort and kay Coach Da talaga. We dedicate this game to Coach Da. Coach Da.
Thank you.
Yun lang, proud ako sa mga ka-teammates ko sa effort na binigay nila. Walang bumigay sa amin until the last buzzer.
Okay, thank you very much. The floor is open for
questions. Talk about the offensive rebounds sa shot ni Andrew sa last, tsaka yung, ano ba naisip ko nung na-miss ko yung unang free throw?
Sabi ko, kailangan ko isip yung pangalawa. Hindi, naisip ko lang, nagdadasal ako, Lord, kung para sa amin to, masushoot to.
Yung pag na-give up mo na lang sa play. Kasi kung na-miss naman ni Ann overtime naman kayo, pero talagang inabot mo yun.
Wala na akong paki sa oras eh. Pagtingin ko, pag-shoot ni Ann, lahat nakatunganga. Going for the ball talaga ako. Yun yung mga, actually yun yung mga favorite scenarios ko pag endgame, yung mga nakatingin na lang lahat tapos yung walang go for the ball.
Sinabi niya sa akin.
Coach, si Angel, ever since ganun talaga yung laro niya ha. Yun nga, favorite scenario niya yung mga ganun hassle. Ano masabi mo na magkaroon ka ng ganyang player na sobrang crucial sa mga ganitong dikit na lang?
Well, sabi ko nga, the team will miss Angel next year. Pero we are still not ready to take a break now. Kasi ayaw pa namin ma-miss si Angel. So yun, wala akong masabi. Talagang knowing Angel, talagang yun ang ano niya. Talagang she's our energy guy, hustle, siya yung nagpo-provide ng hustle points for us. So malaking bagay yun for us.
Anna, could you talk about winning MVP this season? Congratulations! And ang masabi mo na malaki na iambag mo sa team, and of course, nasa championship round again.
First, hindi naman, I mean, kilala niyo naman yung NU, hindi naman kami nag-go for the individual awards, and yung goal talaga namin is to defend the championship, and siguro, ewan ko, kasi as a senior this year, kasi kailangan ko rin mag-step up para sa kanila, sa mga rookies and mga teammates namin. And, syempre, bago nga din yung coach namin, so binigay ko lang talaga every game yung best ko, naging consistent lang kasi dahil din sa support sa kanila kasi hindi ko rin yun makukuha kung wala rin sila. And yung mga coaches na nag-encourage sa akin lahat, yun, nag-go lang ako with the flow na kung hindi, yun, nakuha ko ewan. Hindi ko rin alam na kung paano ko nakuha kasi naglaro lang talaga kung paano ako maglaro.
Coach, follow up, magkano po napadali yung buhay niya? Meron kayong mga super seniors such as Angel, that would lead the team to this kind of success.
So, malaking bagay talaga. Especially me that I'm new on the job, new coach. So, talagang malaking bagay na nare-relieve din yung leadership na dinadala nila, napapadali yung trabaho ko and trabaho ng whole coaching staff. So, we are so lucky na build nila yon, yung leadership na yon throughout the years na naglaro sila sa NU. Now it's their time to be the seniors. Last year it was Clarin, it was Fabruada, Canuto. Now it's their time, and I think they are doing a good job leading the team.
Marga, compared sa mga dalawang kasama ko dito, ikaw yung medyo mas bata sa team. Pero may mga lessons na nakukuha mo sa kanila in terms of experience para bagay ko din championship ready ka rin.
Opo, madami po akong natutunan sa kanila, especially sa paglilid din. Kahit hindi ako katulad nila, seniors nila, pero tinutulungan ko pa rin sila by vocal po. Ako po yung sumisigaw sa court. Kung ano po yung kaya kong iambag sa kanila, if may tutulong sa kanila, ginagawa ko po.
Coach, last year, there was one NU Bulldog in the critical times si Angel, then I think the previous year wala. Now you have three. Ano na lang siguro yung sinasabi nito about the team, especially now na, yes, individual awards, but also the finals.
Again, it's just so happened na they got it. Again, hindi namin yun, again, pati sila, I know, they are not aiming for that. It just so happened na we really rely heavily on them, and it really showed in the stats. So again, hindi naman namin sa goal na to get those individual awards. Yun lang, talagang yung us winning in the eliminations and them putting up those numbers, that really carried the team and also them individually. So, yun.
Coach, syempre, nag-aantay sa inyo USC. And, yung two elimination rounds, nahirapan kayo. Siguro, ano yung mga lessons na dadalhin nyo from those two losses na?
So again, we'll go back to the drawing board, aralin ulit namin. Yes, we had a hard time versus yung 2 games namin against UST. Malaki na lamang namin. So we really have to go back to the drawing board and probably adjust. Maraming adjustment na mangyayari. And hopefully we give them a good fight, and we'll do our best to still, hopefully to defend the crown. So, yun. Hindi ka, just like this game, I know na itong coming finals, confident ako na itong mga players namin won't quit easily. So, yun lang. Bibigyan namin UST ng magandang laban.
And to the players, third meeting, US kalaban unit, so Angel and Marga, your thoughts about playing UST in the finals? They are 14-0, so what can you say? First, Marga first. How about UST?
Gusto ko lang sabihin na for sure, bibigyan namin sila ng magandang laban ngayon. Kasi feel ko madami kaming pagkukulang sa past 2 games namin against them. Sisiguraduhin namin na bibigyan namin ng magandang laban yung mga manonood at mga supporters namin.
And against UST, your thought?
Siguro yun nga, sabi ng mga coaches na maging better lang the next game kasi kung ano man yung mga flaws namin last game, syempre malulearn namin yan and makaka-adjust kami kung ano man yung kailangan namin i-adjust. And syempre finals na to, dapat bigay na talaga namin best namin and wala na. Last every game.
Final stage.
Final stage,
And you have a chance to end your career as a winner, okay?
Sorry.
Yung may chance ka na graduate as a champion ng MLKC.
We'll just play our game and follow the game plan. Defend well. Yun talaga yung kailangan namin aralin and let the result take care of it.
And lastly, Coach DA, your first finals. This is something that you will cherish. Of course, you wanted to be a champion, but can you say being your first time final?
Yun, talagang, I mean, we've been here. I've been here in the finals for the past years, but again, first time being the coach of this team. So, of course, may pressured and excited as well. Especially nakita ko how our girls played today. So, yun lang. What we'll promise is we'll just give our best. We'll give our best and do our best to retain the championship.
Congratulations, Coach D.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you.